Welcome to Dan's Messy Garage. Today I'm going to be working on my 67 Falcon. I'm going to be adjusting the rocker arms, the valve lash. I'm going to use the exhaust open, intake close method. That means when the exhaust valve starts to open, you adjust the intake valve. When the intake valve is just about closed, you adjust the exhaust. Let me get set up and I'll show you what I mean. First step is get the valve cover off. Looks like there's plenty of room for me to get it off without having to take a lot of things apart. When I put valve covers on, I like to use studs instead of bolts. Okay, valve cover is off, and on this 302 I can easily see which valve is intake and which is exhaust by looking at the intake runner and the exhaust header. This is intake and that's exhaust. So when the exhaust starts to open, you adjust the intake. You can put a socket and a ratchet on your crank and turn the engine, but I don't have a lot of clearance to do that. I've got my homemade starter switch here. It came from a car. It's a button from a fuel door release. I'm going to put it on a solenoid, so when I click it, the engine's going to turn. Now I'm going to watch for the exhaust to open, and I'm going to adjust the intake. Might not be a good idea to put all my hardware up here after all. It's going to end up on the ground or in the engine. Okay, here we go. Okay, the exhaust is opening. So now we can adjust the intake. This is a hydraulic roller cam, and I set them about a half a turn after zero lash. So what I'm going to do first is release this, back the center lock out a little bit. I want to get this rocker at the zero lash point, so there's no up and down movement. Easy way to do it is turn the push rod and turn the nut. See, like right there, zero lash, the push rod doesn't turn as easy as it did. You can kind of feel it stop. So from there, I go in half a turn. Put the wrench up there. There's a quarter turn, half turn. And lock down the center. Then what I do is give it a little extra oomph there to make sure that that's locked. You don't have to worry about firing order or anything. You just start going. So now I want to get the intake to open and then start to close, and then I can adjust the exhaust. Here it's starting to close. Adjust the exhaust. Same thing, I'm going to loosen it. Back out my center adjuster because I don't know where it is right now. Got slop in here. Push rod's moving, turning easy. Feels like right there. Correct. Now a half turn. There's a quarter. Half. Lock this down. And then give it a little tug. On to the next. All right, so they're adjusted. I'm gonna wipe off this gasket, get the oil off of there, put the valve cover back on. I hope you enjoyed this video of adjusting rockers using the EOIC method. Thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Please stay tuned to my channel for future projects, videos, and updates. Bye.